How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix your Google Play services keep on stopping, start off by press and hold on to your power button in your mobile device. So right over here, you will see the restart button. You need to click on it so that your device can quickly restart and the service can be solved. Now, following the next step, start off by launching your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see apps and click on it. Tap on the all apps button and in the search icon, tap on it and search for Play Store or Play Services. Here you need to force stop it first and foremost. Then head over to Storage and Cache and click on the Clear Cache button. Then disable it. Then tap on Disable App again. Then after a certain time, click on Enable back again. Then after it, once a Google Play services has been enabled back, check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is up to date. Also, your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. So this is how you can easily fix a Google Play services keep stopping. And you have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you